Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel that is Pulse of Guidance. Another name is Learn English with Maria. Okay, we have done noun and pronoun and now we are moving on to the third part that we have is adjectives. Okay, we'll understand everything by first we'll understand the definition and then the kinds of adjectives and the exercise. Okay, okay, now we have the adjective. Okay, what is adjective? Let's understand with the definition. Adjectives are words that are used to describe or provide more information about the noun or the subject in a sentence. Okay, what's the meaning of this? It means कि adjective ऐसे words होते हैं जो यूज़ किए जाते हैं किसके लिए, जो हमें इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं नाउन की और सब्जेक्ट की किसी भी सेंटेंस के अंदर. सम एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स इंक्लूड गुड, ugly, quick, beautiful, late, etc. ओके, इसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. इसमें यू हैव द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट द नाउन के जो कोई हमारा नाउन है सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट है वो किस टाइप का है. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारी क्वालिटीज़ भी आ जाएंगे इसमें, डिफ़ॉल्ट भी आ जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल वी हैव इज़ गुड, अगली. फॉर इंस्टेंस हम एक सेंटेंस लेते हैं, दिस गर्ल इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, तो वी हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल वर्ड. ब्यूटिफुल इज़ एन एडजेक्टिव और हमने किसके बारे में ये बताया है, दैट इज़ आवर नाउन, दैट इज़ गर्ल. ओके, आई होप दैट इट्स क्लियर. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू. Now we have some kinds of adjectives. Okay, first we have this adjective of quality, second adjective of quantity, proper adjective, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. Okay, we will gonna understand everything, every kind of adjective one by one. Let's discuss that. Descriptive adjective. ओके, डिस्क्रिप्टिव एडजेक्टिव जो होता है दैट इज़ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. ओके, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी हैज़ टू नेम्स. First one is adjective of quality and another we have is descriptive adjectives. Okay, show the kind of quality of a person or a thing. Okay, यही होते हैं adjectives जो किसी पर किसी चीज़ की, किसी person की quality को बताते हैं. Okay, for example we have some words here: beautiful, large, small, etc. Let's understand with an example that we have is the foolish old crow tried to sing. Okay, here we have this foolish, that is an adjective of a crow. Okay, old crow is a noun और उसके बारे में more information किसने बताई है हमें, foolish word ने. Okay, let's understand the another one. Numeral adjectives जो होते हैं with this its name you will get the idea where we will get the knowledge about something that has some amount. Okay, कुछ numerals से we'll get the idea. For example, let's discuss this first. Adjectives of numbers or numeral adjectives show how many person और things are meant. Okay, कितने person हैं और कितनी चीज़ है उस वो बताने वाले जो एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं दैट कम्स अंडर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर एंड न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव. ओके, सम एग्जांपल्स वी हैव इज 8, few, second, some, etc. These are some numeral adjective. Okay, now we have this quantitative adjective. अब what does that mean? Quantitative, किसी भी चीज़ की like quantity के बारे में we get the idea. Adjective of quantity show how much quantity of a thing is meant. Okay, कितनी quantity हमारी किसी भी चीज़ की है. For example, we have some words here, that is some, little, whole, 1/4, etc. Let's understand it with this example that we have is he ate some rice. Okay, some, we have a word that is quantitative adjective. Now next we have this a demonstrative adjective. Okay, demonstrative adjectives point out which person or a thing is meant. Okay, exactly like a demonstrative pronoun, कि जैसे हमारा demonstrative pronoun थे वो भी point out करने के लिए थे, और now we have this that is adjective, demonstrative adjective, that is also to point out something. Okay, this, that, these. Okay, these are some words, these, those. Okay, here we haven't tried that these will also come here. Okay, this, that, these, those. For example, we have a sentence, this girl is taller than Rosie. This is used as a demonstrative adjective. Okay, there is a difference between demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. If we have the word this, that, these, those before the verb, helping verb, that means it is used as a demonstrative pronoun. For example, this is my house. Okay, is an helping verb, और is a helping verb, और helping verb से पहले जो this आया वो हमारा demonstrative pronoun था. और here we will understand कि अगर suppose हमारा same word आता है but before the noun, okay, then it's an demonstrative adjective. I hope you will get the idea how will you find out that this is demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. There is a slight difference between both. Okay, let's move on to coming back to the sentence, that is this girl is taller than Rosie. Okay, here we have used this girl, okay, is taller than Rosie, so we have done a comparison here. Okay, we have some like comparative degrees in adjectives that we will study after completing these kinds. Okay, let's move on to the another example. Another kind that we have is interrogative adjective. Okay, interrogative adjective से you will get the idea कि interrogative like questionable, ठीक है, what, which, whose, when they are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives. Okay, we have interrogative pronoun also that we have done it, but उसमें और इसमें यही slight सा different से that I have told you before कि जो noun से पहले अगर same word we will find, that is an adjective. Okay, if it comes before an helping before a helping verb, that is pronoun. Okay, let's understand with this example also. Whose book is this? किसकी बुक है ये, ठीक है. whose is used as an adjective because ये हमारे noun से पहले आया है. Okay, it comes before the noun, that's why we have it here is an adjective, that is interrogative adjective. Let's move on to the another example, another kind that we have is possessive adjective. Okay, यहाँ पर भी हमारा same रहेगा that we have done in pronoun. Possessive adjective. Okay, we use possessive adjectives to express who owns or possess something. ओके, पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव उसको बोला जाता है जो क्या बताते हैं कि किसी भी चीज़ को, ठीक है, कोई ओन करता है, कोई पोसेस करता है उस चीज़ को, तो उसके लिए वी यूज़ सम वर्ड्स. हियर वी हैव इज ओन, माई, आर, एट्सेट्रा. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द सेंटेंस. ही इज़ हिज ओन मास्टर. ओके, इसमें हमारा क्या है कि वो पोसेशन शो कर रहा है, और मास्टर हियर वी हैव इज ए नाउन, और नाउन से पहले यहाँ पर ये वर्ड यूज़ हुआ है, दैट्स वाई इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव. ओके, let's move on to the another that we have is proper adjective. That is also exactly like the proper pronoun. Okay, adjective formed from proper nouns are called proper adjective. Okay, suppose जो proper nouns से बने हुए words होते हैं, ठीक है, उनसे जो बनते हैं words, उन्हीं को क्या बोला जाता है, proper adjectives बोला जाता है. We have done proper noun. ओके, वही प्रॉपर नाउन क्या था कि किसी पर्सन का, प्लेस का, थिंग का कोई एग्जैक्ट जो नेम होता है, दैट कम्स अंडर प्रॉपर नाउन. अब उन्हीं नाउन से कुछ वर्ड्स बनाए जाते हैं, दैट कम्स अंडर प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव. ओके, फर्स्ट वी हैव दिस ब्रिटिश, चाइनीज, एट्सेट्रा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद एन एग्जाम्पल दैट वी हैव इज द ब्रिटिश प्रोफेसर इज टीचिंग इन द क्लास. ओके, द ब्रिटिश प्रोफेसर, तो जो ब्रिटिश वर्ड है दैट बिकम्स किससे बना है, ये ब्रिटेन से बना है. ओके, ब्रिटेन इज़ अ लाइक प्लेस, ठीक है, इट्स अ लाइक कंट्री, तो उसी से ये वर्ड बना है, दैट इज़ ब्रिटिश. इसके अलावा इफ़ वी विल यूज़ अ चाइनीज़, चाइना के जो लाइक पीपल होते हैं, दे कॉल्ड एज चाइनीज़. द चाइनीज़ प्रोफेसर इज़ टीचिंग इन द क्लास. Another example we have is Indian. Indian is also becomes with an from an India. Okay, India से बनाया गया है, that is हमारा Indian बनेगा. Okay, let's all the kinds are clear because we have done the kinds of adjective. Now we are moving on to the exercise. Okay, no, not the exercise, we are moving on to the comparison, that is the adjective of comparison. We have three kinds of comparisons here. First we have is positive, second is comparative, and the third one we have is superlative. Whenever we are just saying about giving a more information about someone, that we will do the positive. Okay, after that if we are comparing two person with each other, then we will use comparative degree, and third is the superlative. If we are comparing one person or one thing with the whole community, whole thing, okay, then we will use the superlative degree. Okay, let's understand it with some examples. First we have this, Rohan is clever boy. Okay, here we have a clever word, that is an adjective. Okay, this is an adjective or that is positive. Let's move on to another that we have is Rohan is cleverer than J. Okay, now we have compared two person, that one is J and another we have is रोहन. रोहन को जे से कंपेयर किया गया है, इसीलिए वी हैव यूज्ड दिस क्लेवरर, दैट इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. और वेन एवर वी आर यूजिंग कंपैरेटिव डिग्री वी मस्ट हैव लाइक एडेड दिस. ठीक है, देन ओके लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. रोहन इज द क्लेवरेस्ट in class. Okay, अब यहाँ पर क्या है, we have a class. Class is not become with one student. Okay, we have more than one student, then it will become a class. That's why it is a superlative. On to the exercise of adjectives. Okay, first we have the sentence, that is the beautiful flowers bloomed. Okay, here we have this beautiful word, that is an adjective, or flowers we have noun. Okay, let's move on to another example that we have is she wore a red dress. Red is a color. Okay, it is giving more information about the dress. Dress is a noun, that's why we have red is here an adjective. Okay, exactly like this we have so many sentences. You can take a screenshot or find out which is an adjective and which kind of adjective are these. Okay, I hope that it's clear to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.